Hey, first grade, we're going to go ahead and get started and we can go through your checklist. And then I shouldn't have to go through these too much because actually today is just kind of a continuation of yesterday. So if you did yesterday's, you should feel pretty good about today's work. Okay, so you're going to start out by completing those digraph puzzlers that I talked about yesterday, and then doing 20 minutes on iReady Reading. You're going to complete your reading slides, and then you're going to complete your math slides, same ones that we were doing yesterday, just more of them, okay? And then 20 minutes on iReady Math. Then you're going to complete your Scholastic News. So we are going to go ahead and get started. So again, these puzzler cards are super awesome, and then once you get used to them, you guys will feel pretty good about them, okay? So just a reminder, you are looking at your puzzler cards, you're using this key up here to figure out what letters you need to drag on top of your puzzler cards, okay? So you're going to drag the letters on top of your puzzler cards. You're going to find the puzzler picture. You're going to take this circle right here and put it on top of the puzzler picture. And then you're going to type out what the word is. After you type it out, I want you guys to tap out the word and blend it together, okay? You only have 3 of those today. And then you're going to do the same reading slides that you did yesterday, just more of them. So you're going to be reading the story and then putting it in sequence. So I'd like you guys to read with me today, okay? We are getting ready for a fun day. We will put on our bathing suits and sunscreen. Then we will pack the car and drive. Finally, we will have a fun day at the beach. So what happened first, second, and third? Move your pictures. Nancy is making a present for her mom. First, she puts paint on a palette. Then she paints a picture. After the painting she dries on the easel, she will have a nice gift for her mom. So what happens first, second, and third? Move those pictures. Every morning I have a routine. First, I eat breakfast, then I get dressed. Last, I brush my teeth. I am ready for the day. Move the pictures for first, second, and third. After school, I do my homework. Then I have a snack. After my homework and snack are done, I can watch TV. After school is a fun time. So move those pictures into first, second, and third. My mom and I like to make lemonade. First, we squeeze the lemons. Next, we add water. Finally, we mix in sugar. It tastes very good. So what happens first, second, and third? Move the pictures. All right, you're doing the 2 can 10s today. And after I figured it out, you're just counting the pictures, putting them together, and figuring out if it makes 10, you'll move it up here. And if it doesn't make 10, you'll move it in this box. Same thing for all of these slides. You just have a couple today, not too many. The last thing you're going to do is you're going to get out your Scholastic News that was in your red folder, and you're going to read through it. You can actually get on the website. So if you follow these instructions and have your parents help you, you can actually have it read to you. So we are doing, I think it's called The Vole in the Snow. So you'll do that, and you'll do your Scholastic News and answer the questions on the back. You do not have to turn it into me, but if you would like to, that's fine. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Bye.